Hello everybody, Happy New Year's. It's Marcos with South Bay Solar Cleaning. Hope everybody is having a great start to their new year 2022. Just want to wish everybody a Happy New Year. We will be posting more videos this year. We did have a lot of people reaching out, asking for more video content on solar panel cleaning. We have more Tesla roof cleaning jobs coming up, so we will be making more videos on those Tesla solar roof cleanings. But yeah, so we plan on putting out more content this year. Subscribe, hit that bell notification sign, like our content, and we will be posting as much as we can. And remember, don't forget to comment. If you guys have questions, I tried to reach out and I tried to answer every comment or question that's on our videos. Hope you guys have a great 2022. Remember, get out there, conquer, set your goals, dedicate some time every single day to conquer those goals. You know, you got to make those goals, set those goals, and go out there and execute them. Enjoy our videos and shoot us some messages, comments. Alrighty, you guys have a good one.